Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is September 25th, 2025, and we're diving into TD SYNNEX's fiscal 2025 third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. TD SYNNEX has reported some impressive numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TD SYNNEX reported a revenue of $15.7 billion for Q3 2025, which is a 6.6% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by their advanced solutions and endpoint solutions portfolios. Despite some negative impact from the mix of products sold, which affected revenue presentation, the company managed to exceed the high end of their outlook. This indicates strong demand and effective sales strategies.
And how about profitability?
TD SYNNEX's gross profit increased by 17.6% to $1.3 billion, with a gross margin expansion of 68 basis points to 7.22%. Operating income also saw a significant rise of 26.7% to $383.7 million, showcasing their operational efficiency and cost management.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.89, but TD SYNNEX reported an adjusted EPS of $3.58. That's quite a beat, isn't it?
Indeed, it is. The adjusted EPS of $3.58 not only surpassed the forecast by 69 cents, but also set a new record for the company. This performance reflects their strong execution and ability to leverage their global portfolio effectively.
What does this mean for investors?
For investors, this EPS beat is a positive signal. It suggests that TD SYNNEX is not only meeting but exceeding market expectations, which could lead to increased investor confidence and potentially a positive impact on the stock price.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. Let's shift our focus to cash flow and shareholder returns. TD SYNNEX reported cash from operations of $246 million and free cash flow of $214 million. How does this compare to previous quarters?
While cash from operations decreased compared to the previous year, the company still generated a healthy free cash flow of $214 million. This allowed them to return $210 million to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends, highlighting their commitment to shareholder value.
And I see they announced a dividend increase?
Yes, they announced a quarterly cash dividend of 44 cents per share, which is a 10% increase year over year. This is a strong signal of confidence in their ongoing cash generation capabilities.
Regional performance and future outlook. John, can you give us a breakdown of TD SYNNEX's regional performance?
Of course. In the Americas, revenue grew by 2% to $9.3 billion. Europe saw a robust growth of 12.7%, and the Asia-Pacific and Japan region experienced a remarkable 20.4% increase in revenue. These figures underscore the company's strong global presence and adaptability across different markets.
And what about their outlook for the next quarter?
For Q4 2025, TD SYNNEX is projecting revenue between $16.5 billion and $17.3 billion. This guidance reflects their confidence in sustaining growth momentum and capitalizing on market opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, TD SYNNEX has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025 with record revenue and earnings per share. Their strategic initiatives and global reach continue to drive growth. John, any final thoughts?
TD SYNNEX's ability to exceed expectations and their commitment to shareholder returns make them a compelling investment prospect. Their strong guidance for the next quarter further reinforces their positive outlook.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TD SYNNEX's performance in the comments below.